Hi friends, this video shows how to install this silicon cover on this MetaQuest 3. So please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. We can use this silicon cover to protect this foam around here on this MetaQuest 3. So let me show you how to connect it. This is very easy. So we have to start from this side. This is a nose side. From here we can start. Actually we don't need to remove this face interface to connect this silicon cover. We don't need to remove it. So let me show that how to connect it. We can, as I said, we can start from this side. So first install this, first cover this foam using this silicon cover. We can start from here. See, so then we can finish it. See, so we have to use some adjustment here. So don't remove this face interface every time, that will damage. So that is the reason I am not removing it for installing this silicon cover. See, it's done. So this way we can install this silicon cover without removing this face interface. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.